down in Florida for the weekend, like I've mentioned before, at Emerald Coast Dragway. It is super nice. It's 80 degrees, but anyway, we're down here supporting the guys at ODSS. We don't have our race truck done, obviously, unfortunately, but we do have the first gen that we're going to be doing some ET stuff in tomorrow. Today's Friday. We're really just kind of hanging out, having some fun. I'm going to kind of video a little bit of the Pro Street, the Pro Mod class, a little bit of stuff here and there, and just kind of recap the event and the weekend. But tomorrow should be great. We're going to be running the first gen, and we haven't really changed anything on it quite yet, but hopefully in the near future, the first gen is going to get a lot quicker. But anyway, sit back, relax, and enjoy some of the recap of this weekend. A lot of cool things happening in the industry. Something new that kind of just came about that I'm not sure if I informed you guys is the Pro Street, which was previously capped at a 5.0 for the 8th mile, is now actually unlimited. So the Pro Street guys, the four-wheel drive, the class that we're going to be running in the new truck in, we can actually run faster than a 5.0 in the 8th now, which is really, really cool. A lot of trucks going to be in the 4s. So really, really looking forward to seeing kind of what the first weekend brings, the first event brings for that class, because obviously we're involved with that. We're going to be running in that. So just going to be a great weekend, hanging out, having fun, and that's kind of what we're here to do. We're just here to have some fun, support, and show you guys kind of what's going on. So make sure, hopefully you guys come out to these events. The ODSS events are always awesome. Next one up is Rudy's, which we'll be at. Next one after that is UCC. So hopefully we'll have the truck done and be running there. We're doing our best on that front, but anyway, guys, that is it. Boy, oh boy, is it nice. Let's get the weekend started. Last night, these weekends are always very fun. Last night we were up pretty late helping Artie, our good buddy, put a transmission in his truck. So you never know what the weekend's gonna bring. What you doing, Greg?
What?
What are you doing? It's no big deal. You know, we're just making a little clearance room. It's no big deal. You didn't see a thing. I was never holding this hammer. home from our trip in Florida, got a little color. It was a awesome weekend just kind of hanging out. If you guys missed that event, they will have a fall, I believe fall, they're considering it fall Florida event. I'd love to see you guys out there. Again, complete ODSS schedule. We will be at all of them, including Rudy's coming up if it doesn't get canceled with all of this nonsense going around. That's, if you're gonna ask me my take, it's all nonsense. But and then also Ultimate Call Out Challenge. Make sure you guys have that on your schedule for sure. Definitely one of the bigger, more jam-packed, awesome events. Hopefully we will have the new truck out there and be done and be racing. So if you guys don't have tickets yet, make sure you guys use Greg A at ultimatecalloutchallenge.com. Grab your tickets now. Do not pay full price. That is just ridiculous. But anyway, couple key little details from this weekend. We didn't really bring any of the radials or slicks or anything that we have to put on the back of the first gen. We really should have. It was kind of a dumb move on my part. We didn't bring anything. We were just going to make a couple fun passes, but they're not any fun if you don't get any traction. So we'll be looking for a complete, I don't know, I really would like to do something cool in the front as well, even though it's 8 lug. I'm not going to get crazy with trying to convert stuff to 5 lug unless it's real easy. We've got some big future plans for the first gen, just like everything else, which will kind of help. So right now I'd like to kind of find some really just kind of inexpensive economy, like big, kind of like the biggest wheel and tire I can fit on the back of it. I think we have 342 gears in it. So honestly, could probably even go up to a lower gear. But anyway, we're not going to mess with that right now. So really just want to get a good set of wheels and tires on it. Every time we go to the track, that thing fights traction being 2-wheel drive. You can see in the one video, every time it shifts, it tries to break traction. So we're going to have to fix that. Sneak preview of what's to kind of come for the first gen. We've got some different governor springs that we're going to try. The thing kind of falls on its face after about, I don't know, mid 3000s. So the guys at Farrell sent us out some updated governor springs, which we're going to install and then go back to the track and see if we cannot crack a 1099 with some good wheels and tires. So drop some comments, send me a DM on what you guys thinking for wheels and tires would work well and that not break the bank. And after that, we have some really, really good engine mods coming up that should really take the first gen to the next level. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Stay tuned. We are going to get back on the aluminum engine project here and then get back on the Pro Street truck because that's ultimately my goal. I want to get that done as soon as possible. So a lot of cool things to come. Make sure you guys stay tuned. A lot of stuff coming, but that's going to do it for this video. If you guys have not already, I have mentioned it before, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button before you guys leave, and I will see you guys very, very soon in the next video.